Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you. It's a mystery box from beautybay. They brought out two of them, a £30 box and a £35 box, and it contains all mystery beauty products from beautybay's own brand. I'll pop a link to beautybay down below in my description and any codes, offers they've currently got on their website if you're interested, but I'll pop that down there. So let's go on to showing you what's inside the £30 mystery box that I ordered. Oh my gosh, it's jam-packed. So it's skincare and makeup in there. First up, we've got a jade facial roller. That's what it looks like. So you've got a larger end for your face, and then you've got a little mini one then for your eyes. I've already got one of these and I love them. I do really like them. They just feel amazing on my skin. Yeah, I do really like that. We got a powder blush and a powder bronzer. So the powder blush, ooh, does it say? This is in shade Peachy. If you're not already aware, I do have, it's a little series actually. I should create a playlist for them, but I do full face of testing different beauty brands. I've recently done Milk Cosmetics, I've done Too Faced, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm trying to think off the top of my head now, but if you would like me to do a beautybay, their own brand, full face of makeup, please let me know, because I'll start collecting little pieces so I can do a video. So yes, we've got a blush there, and we've got a bronzer. And this is in shade Beach. Let's have a look. You might not be able to see on my fading fake tan hands. They're a little bit messy at the moment. Yeah, it's very subtle, very subtle shades. So there's that. Next, we've got Disney Colour, The Jungle Book, 1967 6-colour palette. This is really cute. Got some nice shades there. I do like a green actually. You don't often find a nice foresty green in palettes. You've got a mirror. There's that. Next we've got a Disney Collection Colour 3 Colour Sticks. I think that's what it is. Shadow Stick Trios. I like the sound of these ones. What colour have we got? Ooh. Oh, they're nice. We've got a matte purple. Oh, sky blue. Matte again, and a matte coral. Yeah, I really like those. Really great for doing a like smudgy sort of brightly pop of colour underneath your eyes. That's what I'm thinking. But yeah, so got those. Then I got a brush, and this is, it just says round the blend. So it's a rounded blending brush there. Then we've got products from the Pastels range. This is a crayon eyeliner trio. They don't show the colours on the outside. Okay, we've got a matte mustard, a muted mustard, a matte pink, pale pink, and a matte peachy colour. Can you see there? Oh gosh, the tan looks really bad. I'm going to have to scrub it. I really like those. I love the fact that they've got really slim nibs. Next you've got a facial oil. This is a Skin Hit Nourishing Oil with hemp and rosehip for distressing and conditioning skin. And there's 50 ml here. That's what it looks like. So we've got a facial oil. Then we've got a matte lipstick in shade... No, it doesn't want to tell me until I open it up. In shade Gelato. This is really pretty. I wonder if I've had this before. Whenever beautybay come out with limited edition beauty boxes, I always get them. And this name rings a bell. It's a really pretty colour though, isn't it? Yeah, I do really like it. I'm going to have to look at my lipstick stash. So there's that. And then the last item is this huge palette. 42 colour palette. And this is the Brights palette. wow, look. Ooh. So pretty. Gorgeous colours there. Yeah, really happy with that. It's not an everyday sort of eyeshadow palette, but if I wanted to create something a little bit more dramatic, Then obviously you've got all the colour shades here, haven't you? Plus you've got some neutrals up there, and I really like that there's a black as well and a white. Yeah, it's a really, really nice palette. I have used Beauty Bay's own eyeshadows before and I really do like them. So those are all the products inside this £30 Beauty Bay mystery box. I'm really chuffed with it. I love these bright eyeshadows, the eyeliners, the lipstick, probably the blush and the bronzer. Yeah, they're okay, but I might have them, which is why I'm not that excited from previous limited edition boxes I've had. I will have to have a look. Maybe, anyway. Eyeshadow palette's brilliant. The little eyeshadow palette, was it Winnie the Pooh? No, it's not. Jungle Book. I might pass that on. And the jade roller. But overall, I am really chuffed. Really, really chuffed. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you go for these mystery boxes? I'd love to hear if you went for the £30 box, if you've got exactly the same as me, or is it just random selection where we all get around 7 to 8 products, but they could be anything. And also the £35 box as well. I'd love to hear if you got that and whether you were happy with it. So yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.